Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2T, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this three dots icon. As you can see at the very top of the of this bar, we've got the timer option, which is currently turned off. This icon with a crossed out clock is highlighted in this blue color, and next to it we've got 3 or 10 seconds delay. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. As you can see, I've picked 10 seconds right now. This option is highlighted. What's more, after getting back to the camera, you can see that we've got it in the shutter button. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, the same situation will be with the 3 seconds delay, but of course now it is counting down from 3. And if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your OnePlus Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.